Alright, so we're going to evaluate using the calculator the expression log base 4 of 83. So if your calculator does logs of any base, that's fine. Just see if you get the same final answer I do. If not, remember we have a change of base formula that says the log base A of B can be put in your calculator using the log base B of, not base B, log of B divided by log of A. So we can rewrite our expression as log of 83 over log of 4. And then we put that in the calculator. Let's see what we get. Log 83 divided by log of 4. Make sure you put it in correctly, is 3.1875. Okay. If you don't get that, you're probably typing it in wrong, but let's have a discussion if you can't get the numbers I'm getting. Thank you.